Like many other medical services and personal services of all sorts, your dental practice will have been closed down due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The challenge that brings, amongst others, is how to communicate effectively with your patient base, both to keep in touch and also to let them know when you are reopening and what measures you've taken to make sure that your staff and your patients are safe, so they can trust you that when they come, they're going to get the best of service and the minimum risk of infection from this dreadful virus. This is Ken Johnston from Dilbo Digital Media. I want to introduce you to a step-by-step blueprint for patient communications as you begin to plan to reopen your practice. Why are we doing this? Well, very simply, just to try to save you time and effort and give you clarity of the steps to take to put in place the appropriate and effective communications that you need as we begin to come out of this lockdown situation into a somewhat new way of working. What I want to just introduce you to here is 3 areas of patient communications that will help a lot in addressing these 2 issues: communication with patients while you're in lockdown or temporarily restricted in your services, and ongoing communications thereafter, particularly in a different way of working where waiting in a waiting room is no longer acceptable. So the first 2 blocks there look at communicating while in lockdown and while approaching reopening, as well as ongoing communication. And the third there, the Kerbside waiting room, looks at the process to make it easier for you and your staff to communicate with patients in a different way of waiting for appointments. As well as this video and the 3 videos which explain each section that you can see in the explainer videos section there, I've included a link to this process map and you'll see how to use that, so you can actually look in more detail at the notes and examples that are given in the presentation that you'll see in the videos.